Hi friends, Namaskar. I am Gato Sharma. Welcome you to the Future Pro YouTube channel. This is the next video in the series of the well-being. In last two videos, we discussed about the therapies available for the treatment of the diseases and the little description about the 5 great elements of which our body is made of. As usual, before proceeding ahead, my request is to see the videos, like them, share them, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that as soon as we launch the video in any area of our section, our channel, you get the information immediately and you don't miss the video of your area of interest. In this video, let's discuss a little bit about the nature cure. The nature cure is as old as the nature. After the Vedic period, there was a Puranic Kal. In the Puranic Kal, if you read the Purans and there is a story when the Raja Dashrath, the queens of Raja Dashrath was not getting conceived, so they went for the fruit kalps. A special fruit was given to them. After that, all the Rama, Lakshman, and Bharat and Shatrughan were born. When the medicine started in this world, before that, the treatment for every disease, the few things were available, like the first of all was the fasting. Fasting was the major thing to keep your body fit because it cleans your digestive system. If you closely watch all the religions, every religion in the world has the fasting. Because our ancestors were quite intelligent. So whatever they feel good for anybody or any human being, they related it to the religion. So that the person should follow and they should be happy always and healthy always. When the medicine started, it is said this is started at the time of the Ravana. Ravana used to live a life of the indulgence because he was not able to wake up early in the morning because they were late night, they keep drinking the alcoholic drinks and it was difficult for them to wake up early in the morning. So Ravana ordered the Vaidyas to discover the medicines so that he should not do all this fasting and other things. And then it was the order of the Lord Ravana. Vaidyas search some herbals and they make the concoction of that herbs and they started giving to the Ravana and his colleagues or his friends. Or it is said to be the origin of the medicine. Long ago, at the time of the Buddha, there is a book Mahavagga. It is mentioned there, one disciple of Buddha was bitten by a snake and Buddha made the medicine out of a smooth earth, the cow dung, cow urine and the ash of a oven. And the monk was set right. In case of the illness, in the fever, Buddha used to give the steam bath or the sun bath to the monks, and they get healthy immediately or after a period of time. But we are smart enough. We forget all these, our therapies, whatever written in our Vedas and the Puranas. Then few of the doctors in the Europe and other countries. The first of all, it started from the Britain, because we were the part of the Britain long ago. In 1717, Dr. Curie wrote a book on how the water can be used as a medicine. There are a lot of foreigner scientists or persons or intellectuals who read about the nature cure and wrote books. And I remember a word, the Henry Lindhar. He studied our Vedas and wrote a lot of books on the naturopathy or nature cure. In Germany, the Louis Kuhne wrote two books. A book in two parts, that's on the water element only. If we talk of India, then in 1929, I remember 1929, Mahatma Gandhi set up a naturopathy hospital in Urli Kanchan, near Pune. Then a little bit work started happening in the India about the nature cure. Now there are a lot of nature cure hospitals, and it is sure, I am dead sure, if a person lives his life as per the rules of the nature, he cannot fall ill. He do not require any kind of therapies available in the world, because he will fall ill occasionally. So be with nature, come to nature, take from nature, change your nature, change a little bit in your lifestyle, and I guarantee you, you won't fall ill. Thanking you for watching.